All right, gang, so as promised, we're going to make a CAT5 cable. So I got all my tools. Some of these things we're going to use, some of the stuff we're not going to use. So the first thing that I want to show you guys is a wire stripper. So this makes stripping wire a lot easier than doing it with your teeth. We all know what this is. This is a crimper, has slots for the RJ45 as well as the RJ11. This also has small little razor blades that you can strip the wires with, but it's not as handy as the wire stripper. Of course, we got our Ethernet cable. Then we got our, if I can open it, there it is. We got our RJ45s. Won't be using this. This is a punch down tool, and this is what we use at the MDF, like we talked about in the lecture. Then this would just be a cable tester. So once you get finished, you put one end in this side, one end on that side, and then since we got 8 pairs of wires, it'll light up red or green. If it's green, you're good. If it's red, then that pair is messed up. So the first thing we're going to do is strip the plastic covering off of our Ethernet cable. So we're going to take this wire stripper, pull this thing back a little bit, put some of our wire inside of there. That should be enough. Then you just go in a circle. Boom. So the wire has been successfully stripped. All right, so like we talked about earlier, we're gonna go ahead and untwist these pairs. So untwist them, and then we're gonna put them in order. And go ahead and put them inside that RJ45. Okay, gang, once you have the wire stripped, meaning that you expose the wires that's inside of the case, you have to put the wires in the correct color combination or scheme. So for us, it's orange, white, orange, green, white, blue, blue, white, green, brown, white, brown. Once you have your 8 wires from left to right, starting with orange, white, ending with brown, you slip those wires inside of your RJ45. Making sure that your color scheme stays exactly the way you want it to. So you shift it or push it all the way inside there, and make sure that the wires go all the way to the back of the RJ45, ensuring that all 8 wires go all the way to the back of the RJ45. Also ensuring that where you actually crimp, there's a small indentation where the actual crimper presses down and crimps this onto the cable. There's a small indentation. Ensure that you have enough sheathing inside of the actual RJ45 so that when you actually crimp it, it won't crimp the wires inside and break them. Now we can actually place our Ethernet cable with RJ45 inside of the crimper. Then we press firmly, and now this cable is crimped, and this RJ45 connector will not be removed and will not fall off this Ethernet cable.